You live in Excel, but the data you actually need lives somewhere else, in your CRM, your warehouse. So you export, you copy, you paste, and by the time it's in the sheet, it's already out of date. This is the Nexla for Excel. It connects your spreadsheet to any of the 800+ systems Nexla supports, which means any system in your stack becomes a tool you can call right here in a cell. Let's see it in action. Inside Copilot Chat in Excel, you'll find a list of registered agents. We'll select the Nexla's agent that has access to all 800+ skill-based connectors and figures out which one to use based on what you're asking for. This isn't a one-time paste. Hit refresh and you get live values straight from the source. Need data from a second system? Pull it in beside the first. Nexla can orchestrate across systems in a single call. And because every request runs through Nexla's governance layer, you only ever see what you're allowed to. Sensitive fields stay masked, and every call is logged. Your enterprise data in Excel on demand. That's Nexla for Excel. Nexla gives Excel access to more than 800 skill-based connectors. Choose a system, drill into the data it holds, and pull only the records your task needs, straight into your sheet. Every request stays governed, so you work with exactly the data you're cleared to use.